Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the remote and AC have power. Install 2 AA batteries and confirm polarity. Weak cells cause missed commands. Once done, stand about 3 meters from the indoor unit and point at the IR sensor. Line of sight matters. Make sure the AC's mains switch is on, otherwise the remote won't register. Press the power button briefly to wake the remote. You'll see the display light up. This first step gets the system ready for mode and temperature changes. You now configure how the AC will run. Press mode to cycle to cool, heat, fan, or auto. Choose based on current needs because mode changes alter compressor behavior and energy use. Once in the right mode, set the temperature with the up or down buttons in 1 degree increments. A 1 degrees change is often sufficient. Then adjust fan speed and louver swing to optimize airflow distribution. Make sure to pause a few seconds between presses so the unit accepts each command. You finish by scheduling and verifying operation. Use the on/OFF timer to program start and stop times. Enter exact hours so the AC cycles when you want it. If the remote becomes unresponsive, remove the batteries for 10 seconds to reset it, then reinsert them. If commands still fail, make sure there is a clear IR path, swap in fresh batteries, and confirm the indoor unit has power. One tip: when all else fails, try the remote close to the sensor to rule out distance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.